Alright, listen up. You bought a property in Montenegro with us, then you have our VIP Club. Stop wasting time trying to find everything yourself. We're not just your personal assistants, we're your property advisors and 24/7 solution seekers. Someone who gets things done for you. You want the best investment opportunities before everyone else? We've got you. If you need a last-minute yacht booking, a table at the best restaurant, or an airport transfer, consider it done. I negotiate, I organize, I make things happen. While others waste time, our clients get ahead, because time is money and we don't let them lose either. This is VIP Club, and trust me, once you're in, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.